What's going on YouTube? We're back again, and today we're going to be fitting a Sunstrip to the Aygo. So stay tuned because this is going to be fiddly. At the moment, we haven't actually got anything except this lovely Ramair sticker here. But we're just going to first fit the black vinyl, because I've got a black vinyl strip that I'm going to fit, and then the big Ramair sticker in the middle, and then the slogans on the sides. So hopefully I can reach over the car without messing it up, and see how it goes. Here we have the lovely Ramair sticker in white, which is going to go in the middle. That should be fairly easy to fit as long as I make sure it's centralized. Just gotta measure and stuff to make sure that it's in the middle, because once it's on, it's not coming off. Here we have the black vinyl that I'm going to use. It's quite creased up actually, so there'll probably be a lot of bubbles to get out. But I think to make it easy for myself, I'm just going to stick it on, and then just cut off the excess instead of trying to cut it off the car, because I might cut too much and then it's basically a waste of a strip. And here in our massive box of Ramair stuff, shout out to Ramair, they're actually the best. We have the "We Are Filters" slogan that are going to go on the side. So on the strip, it'll be here, and the same on the other side. Yeah, I think it'll come out quite nicely because there'll be a bit of a gap between this and the Ramair logo, so it should look tidy. But I won't stick these on until the Ramair sticker's on, so then I can decide if I do actually want to put them there. So now I've got my tape measure and marker pen, and I'm just gonna mark the or how far down I want this to go. I'm gonna do a dot on this side and on the other side, just to make sure that when I start sticking the vinyl, it's actually in the right place. Otherwise it's gonna be wonky, and then I'll have to peel it back up, and it's just a lot of hassle. So let's do this and make sure that's right. The dots are now marked. I've marked them at 10 centimeters, so which seems to be like a good size, visibility wise and all, because it's going to be like solid, so I won't be able to see through it. But before I forget, I just need to take this off so it doesn't show through. Oh, this hurts. This has been here forever. I'll have to clean where it was sat as well. I've already cleaned the windscreen at the top anyway, where I'm fitting this. But yeah, I just need to clean off where that was because clearly left a mark. Right, now that the Sunstrip's in place, I decided the best way to go about this would be to cut around where it's going with a little bit more, in case it doesn't quite line up. And then I can just stick it on instead of fiddling with the whole peel and stick thing. So I tried that before and it's not been very easy. So yeah, let's give this a go. And also because the antenna will definitely interfere with it being under there. That's the Sunstrip all cut. Let's see if I've done it right. For the most part, dare I say, looks like I have. So, let's get sticking. First layer being the most important, sorry about the background noise. What I've done is I've just folded the paper behind and stuck this flat. So now, if this is lined up correctly, which hopefully it is, all I need to do is peel the paper as I go across, making sure it's smooth, and then that should be it. Looking good so far. One seems to be a bit scratched. And, there's a few bubbles there. I'll get those out with my ice scraper, using the rubber part so that it doesn't scratch as much. But yeah, nearly there. Right, brought it to the end, as I suspected. Got some more bubbles, and I didn't quite cut straight, but lucky for me, it's got a black backing, so it doesn't matter too much. So I'll just carry on removing the bubbles, etc. Well, this is right at the end, so I can just peel this back up. Get rid of that bubble, that'll make it easier for me. And then, yeah, oops. Once I reach the end, right, we've got quite a few on this side. So I'm just gonna go like that. Uh-oh. I don't think these are coming out. Just carry on with these for now. Yeah, just tuck that in. It'll make it look a bit tidier. Probably should have done that with the other side actually. But oh well. There. Alright. So I guess that's pretty much that done. Now I'm just going to clean this again because it was quite dusty actually. And then I'll get to installing the other stickers. Okay, that's the Sunstrip all debubbled. So now it's time to slap on the Ramair sticker. Right, the sticker is roughly 51 centimeters across. So now I just need to compare that to the windscreen. And the windscreen is roughly 110 centimeters across. So now I just need to work out how much of a gap I need either side, and then I'll get it in the middle. So I did the math, and 25.5 centimeters either side should then show me where to place the sticker. There's the mark for this side. So let's go ahead and fit the Ramair sticker. So sticker's on. It actually flew out of my hand, but it's on. So now I guess I'll put these on, because I can't put them on silver body panels because they won't show. That's one. And that's two. And there we have my Sunstrip installed. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like it, then please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.